Hello there. Today we explore how data analytics is revolutionizing the field of auditing. Data analytics leverages advanced technologies, algorithms, and statistical methods to examine vast amounts of financial and operational data with speed and precision. In the auditing context, it allows auditors to go beyond traditional sampling methods by analyzing entire data populations, uncovering hidden patterns, trends, anomalies, and relationships that may indicate errors or fraud. This transformation is reshaping the audit process in several ways. Data analytics enhances audit quality by providing deeper insights and a more comprehensive view of the client's operations. It increases efficiency by automating routine tasks and enabling real-time analysis. It also supports a risk-based auditing approach by helping auditors focus on high-risk areas, leading to more targeted and effective procedures. Moreover, data analytics aligns with growing regulatory expectations for transparency and accountability, positioning auditors as strategic advisors in an increasingly data-driven business environment. Now that we've touched on how data analytics is revolutionizing auditing, let's take a step back and define what data analytics actually is. Data analytics refers to the process of examining data sets to draw conclusions about the information they contain. This can involve using specialized systems and software to analyze raw data for meaningful insights. Why is this important? Well, in today's data-driven world, organizations generate vast amounts of data daily. Without data analytics, this data would be overwhelming and underutilized. Data analytics helps to 1. Improve decision-making by providing actionable insights. 2. Identify opportunities for cost savings and efficiency. 3. Enhance the understanding of customer behavior and market trends. 4. Support strategic planning and competitive analysis. In essence, data analytics transform raw data into valuable information, making it a cornerstone of modern auditing and business strategies. Stay tuned as we dig deeper into how you can harness the power of data analytics in your own auditing processes. Now that we've established the significance of data analytics, let's explore how it directly enhances audit quality. Data analytics not only streamlines the auditing process, but also elevates the accuracy and reliability of audit results. Here's how. First, improved anomaly detection. Imagine a scenario where an auditor, equipped with powerful data analytics tools, can swiftly detect discrepancies in financial transactions, anomalies that would have otherwise gone unnoticed through traditional methods. Second, real-time insights. Data analytics allows auditors to analyze entire datasets in real time, reducing reliance on sampling and increasing audit coverage. Third, enhanced risk assessment. By visualizing and analyzing trends, patterns, and outliers, auditors can better assess and prioritize areas of risk. Fourth, stronger stakeholder confidence. With increased accuracy and transparency, data-driven audits foster greater trust and confidence among investors, regulators, and other stakeholders. Fifth, elevated audit standards. Integrating data analytics into the audit process isn't just about efficiency. It's about setting new benchmarks for quality, reliability, and professional excellence. Imagine a scenario where an auditor, equipped with powerful data analytics tools, can swiftly detect a discrepancy in financial transactions that would have otherwise gone unnoticed. This not only ensures compliance, but also builds trust with stakeholders. By integrating data analytics into auditing, we are not just improving processes, we are setting new standards for audit quality and reliability. In our next segment, we will dive into practical steps and tools you can use to implement data analytics in your auditing practices. Stay tuned. As we've seen, data analytics has the power to transform the quality of audits, but beyond quality, it also significantly enhances efficiency. Let's break down how data analytics drives efficiency in the auditing process. First, streamline data collection. Traditional data collection methods are often time-consuming and labor-intensive. Data analytics tools automate the collection and organization of data, allowing auditors to access comprehensive datasets quickly. Second, rapid data processing. With the power of advanced algorithms, Data analytics processes vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it takes manually. This rapid processing capability means auditors can analyze information and generate insights faster than ever before. Third, real-time monitoring data analytics enables continuous monitoring of transactions and activities. This means auditors can identify and address issues as they arise rather than waiting for periodic reviews. Fourth, reduced human error. Automation of repetitive and mundane tasks through data analytics minimizes the risk of human error, ensuring more accurate and reliable audit outcomes. Fifth, resource optimization. By automating routine tasks and focusing on high-risk areas, auditors can allocate their time and resources more effectively. This leads to more thorough audits without the need for additional manpower or extended timelines. Imagine an audit team leveraging data analytics to complete an entire audit cycle in half the time it traditionally takes, without compromising on quality. The freed-up time can be used to conduct deep search into complex issues, provide strategic insights, and add value to the organization. In our final segment, we will discuss real-world case studies where organizations have successfully implemented data analytics in their auditing processes, reaping significant benefits. Stay with us! In this segment, we will look into the concept of risk-based auditing and how data analytics is revolutionizing this approach. Risk-based auditing focuses on identifying and assessing the areas of highest risk within an organization. By prioritizing these high-risk areas, auditors can allocate their resources more effectively and provide more targeted insights. Data analytics plays a crucial role in risk-based auditing by enabling auditors to 1. Advanced analytics tools can continuously monitor transactions and activities, flagging any irregularities that might indicate non-compliance. This proactive approach ensures that organizations can quickly address issues before they escalate. This allows auditors to focus their efforts on areas that matter the most. 2. Data analytics simplifies the process of gathering and analyzing data for regulatory reports. This not only saves time, but also ensures that reports are accurate and comprehensive, meeting all regulatory requirements. This helps in making informed decisions about where to allocate resources and attention. 3. With data analytics, maintaining a detailed and tamper-proof audit trail becomes effortless. This transparency is crucial for demonstrating compliance during regulatory reviews and audits. Continuous monitoring means that risks can be identified and addressed promptly rather than waiting for periodic audits. 4. By analyzing historical data, organizations can predict potential compliance risks and take preventive measures. This leads to better decision-making and stronger risk management practices within the organization. Imagine an audit team using data analytics to proactively identify and mitigate risks, ensuring the organization remains compliant and resilient in a dynamic business environment. The power of data analytics in risk-based auditing not only enhances audit quality and efficiency, but also adds significant value to the overall risk management strategy. In this segment, we will explore regulatory expectations and compliance, and how data analytics is transforming these critical aspects of auditing. In today's complex regulatory environment, organizations face increasing scrutiny from regulators. Compliance with regulations is not just about avoiding penalties, it's about maintaining trust and integrity. Data analytics is a game changer in this arena. 1. Advanced analytics tools can continuously monitor transactions and activities, flagging any irregularities that might indicate non-compliance. This proactive approach ensures that organizations can quickly address issues before they escalate. 2. Data analytics simplifies the process of gathering and analyzing data for regulatory reports. This not only saves time, but also ensures that reports are accurate and comprehensive, meeting all regulatory requirements. 3. With data analytics, maintaining a detailed and tamper-proof audit trail becomes effortless. This transparency is crucial for demonstrating compliance during regulatory reviews and audits. 4. By analyzing historical data, organizations can predict potential compliance risks and take preventive measures. This forward-thinking approach helps in staying ahead of regulatory changes and avoiding future non-compliance. Imagine an organization that leverages data analytics to seamlessly navigate the complex regulatory landscape, ensuring compliance while optimizing operations. The integration of data analytics into regulatory compliance not only mitigates risks, but also enhances the organization's overall governance framework. Now that we've explored the various benefits of data analytics in auditing, let's turn our attention to the tools that make these benefits possible. Understanding and selecting the right tools is essential to fully harness the power of data analytics in your auditing processes. 1. ACL Analytics by Galvanize. Strengths: powerful data access, cleansing and analysis. Best for internal audits, compliance testing, and fraud detection. ACL Analytics enables auditors to access, combine, and analyze data from multiple sources without compromising data integrity. 2. Caseware Idea. Strengths: user-friendly interface, strong audit-specific functionality. Best for external audits, sampling, financial audits. Idea supports full population testing, provides a wide range of audit templates, and ensures traceability, making it ideal for risk assessments and regulatory compliance. 3. Tableau Strengths: advanced data visualization and interactivity. Best for presenting audit results, dashboards, trend analysis. 4. Microsoft Power BI Strengths: seamless integration with Microsoft Office, flexible dashboards. Best for continuous auditing, executive reporting power. BI supports real-time data updates, ideal for ongoing risk monitoring. 5. SAS Statistical Analysis System. Strengths: predictive analytics and statistical modeling. Best for high-risk audits, fraud prediction, advanced risk modeling. SAS provides a comprehensive suite of tools for predictive analytics, enabling auditors to forecast potential issues and develop data-driven risk mitigation strategies. 6. R and Python Strengths: open source, highly customizable, vast community support. Best for custom analytics, machine learning, and automation. By effectively leveraging these data analytics tools, auditors can transform traditional audit processes into dynamic, intelligent systems that deliver higher quality, deeper insights, and stronger risk assurance. Data analytics has become indispensable in modern auditing, offering a range of benefits that significantly improve both the effectiveness and efficiency of audit processes. One of the most critical advantages is better assurance. Data analytics enables auditors to test entire populations of transactions rather than relying solely on samples, thereby increasing audit coverage and reducing the risk of oversight. It also supports more efficient audits by automating time-consuming tasks such as transaction matching and account reconciliations, allowing auditors to focus on more strategic activities. Additionally, data analytics enhances risk detection by uncovering unusual patterns, fraudulent activities, or high-risk areas that traditional methods might miss. This leads to more accurate assessments and prioritization of audit efforts. Furthermore, it supports data-driven decision-making, empowering auditors to make more informed judgments through visualizations, trend analysis, and statistical modeling. Lastly, the use of data analytics helps auditors stay aligned with regulatory compliance by meeting the evolving expectations of audit standards, thereby reinforcing the credibility and reliability of audit outcomes. In summary, the integration of data analytics in auditing is not just a trend, but a necessity. It transforms the audit process, making it more comprehensive, efficient, and insightful, ultimately driving greater value for organizations. In conclusion, data analytics is not just a tool, but a transformative force in the field of auditing. By leveraging advanced technologies and methodologies, auditors can achieve unprecedented levels of accuracy, efficiency, and insight. As the business landscape continues to evolve, the importance of data analytics in auditing will only grow, making it imperative for professionals to stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights into the power of data analytics in auditing.